Hi, this is Colin from Watch Off the Cuff. Today we are going to do a Rado DiaStar with integrated bracelet. We are going to do a battery change. This has a fairly unusual case back and it comes apart in an unusual way, and we are going to do that on camera for you so you can see how to do it. Okay, we have this Rado DiaStar. We're going to start with taking the 4 screws out of the back. And you can see it's integrated here, so this is going to come out in kind of an unusual way. So anyway, we're going to start by removing these 4 screws. You need a separate set of glasses. Keep that knot hidden. I know this one tends to be a little tricky, and I've done this very watch before, but I'll tell you, I do not remember exactly how it comes apart. So it looks like we'll drop the front of it down here. There we go. Yes, the crown stays into position, and this comes straight out here. And then we'll pull this gasket. And there's a slot here. I'll just turn it like this. Oh, there we go. So out that comes. And then we can see it takes a Renata 373. We'll just do here. We're just going to take this cover. We're just going to lay it just to cover it up there. I don't want any of this bracelet to touch the inside of that watch. We'll pull a 373 from the drawer. And here we are. And we'll get that at the ready there. Let's hold this open again. And we'll open up this side here. And we'll just gently prise that out of the way. Whenever I come in to a watch like this, whenever it's possible, and I don't need a precision tip, we'll just use these plastic tweezers. And we'll use this Bourgeon. Let's see if I get that good in focus. Oh, there we go. We'll use this Bourgeon polyamide stick. The number is 7010. I've just ordered some of these for my shop. Shameless plug. I'll just gently push that into place. It's going to be slightly sprung. And there we go. We're in good shape there. What we'll do is we'll replace this cover. There we are. And I'm just going to lift it up and make sure we've got our running hands there, which we do. And then what we can do is we'll just give this a little puff, just a little bit of dirt here. I'm just going to take some Horological and I'm just going to grab Just some of the little bits have got in here because it isn't perfectly sealed around this part of the watch. I'm just going to check the other side too. You can see there's a little bit of junk in there, so we're going to get that out. And I think what I'll do is I'm just going to take a little bit of pegwood, and I'm just going to get that debris out of there just a little. And I'll get some Horological first. We'll see if we can't puff some of that out. Just a little more. Anyway, then we can replace the cover, put the screws back on, and we'll be in great shape once again. So we're just going to take this for a minute here. I'm just going to take a look at this gasket here, which is stuck to the top, but really belongs in that gasket. We can see, oh, I don't even have it in the frame there. So we can see this gasket, which is sitting here. It's sitting against the top, but not in the watch itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that out. It looks quite clean. We're going to turn it upside down like this. We're going to pop it in there. Give it a go. And then we're going to take this and we're going to place it on the watch, and then the back cover back into place. So move this out of the way. This can come back. We'll try to keep it all in camera. It's like I need a cameraman. I'm going to try to refocus there. There we go. Back in focus there. Okay, so that's back in place. We're going to flip it around so we can see. And I'm just going to take a little bit of Horological and clean that up. So we'll just take a little bit of Horological and we'll clean this up. And then this can go back into place. There we go. So now we can place the 4 screws back into the watch. And I'm just gonna get them started in each one. I don't want them rolling around. And then we'll come back and we'll gently retorque each one. Over the far corner here. A tiny little piece of fuzz in the end of my tweezer. I just went backwards. It wasn't seated, so I just went backwards quickly first, and just to get the that's seated properly. We're getting close to the last one here. Go there, and then the last one. All right, now that we have all 4 in place, we'll give them all a nice torque down. So I'm gonna make sure they're nice and secure. All right, so we'll give this a quick buff with a cloth. I'll probably give it a quick clean with a brush and some non-abrasive soap. Like if you're at home, you can use dish detergent, or a cream like a hand soap or whatever that's non abrasive. Actually, this looks, it's pretty good, but we'll give it a quick go. Just get all the oils off. So there we go. We are good. So why don't we quickly set this then? So the best thing to do is, you can see it was midway in terms of what's going on in the date. So what I typically do, I know we did see it roll over, but standard practice for setting a watch is we're going to set, I just set it at 6:30, and I'm just going to take a look at my watch here. And we've got the 17th. We're going to turn it to the 16th. So we're going to push it in, and we're going to roll it over to the 16th. And then I'll advance it across midnight so we know whether we are in AM or PM. So we'll roll it over. Even though we did see it, we know we're AM right now, but we'll just roll it over so you can see what my standard procedure would be. All set. Ready for another 2.5 to 3 years if we're lucky. Thanks for watching.